Are you looking for an expert utility using which you can convert OLM files into different file formats? Then stay tuned with the video. Here, you will definitely get the absolute solution to backup and export OLM files emails into various file formats and email clients. Sysinfo OLM Converter is a top-notch and reliable utility to extract Mac Outlook OLM files into various file formats. It is an advanced tool developed for extracting Outlook OLM mailbox items directly into Windows computers. Users have an option to perform bulk conversion of OLM files with 100% accuracy. Moreover, OLM files of any size can be converted through the software as it lets no restrictions for file size to migrate Mac Outlook OLM. After knowing about the software, let us look at the salient key features and benefits of the Sysinfo OLM Converter. Users can extract OLM files into multiple file formats like PST, EML, MSG, MBOX, CSV, OST, EMLX, HTML, MHTML, etc. Using this utility, one can export OLM files emails to Gmail, Office 365, Thunderbird, AOL, IMAP, Yahoo, Opera Mail, Zoho Mail, Yandex Mail, iCloud, HostGator, Amazon Workmail, IMAP, LiveExchange, etc. Import Mac Outlook OLM files into the different image and document formats such as PDF, PNG, GIF, JPG, text, doc, docx, docm, JSON. Compatible with all Windows versions including Windows 10, 8.1, 8/7, Vista, XP, etc. Here I mention multiple prerequisites of the software that you must require while using this Sysinfo OLM Converter tool. When you sign in with your email client account to export the OLM file, you have to establish a proper internet connection. A third-party app password of a chosen email client is also necessary before sign in to the Sysinfo OLM Converter. Let's check the working procedure of the Sysinfo OLM Converter to extract OLM files emails. First, you have to download and install the software on your Windows system. After completing the steps of installation, run the software as an administrator on a PC. Now, in the opening wizard, you can find two options, single file and multiple files folder. Here, I select the multiple files folder options to perform the extraction of OLM files emails into EML and press next. In the next wizard, opt with the options select files or select folder to add up the OLM files into the software and hit the next button. Check the folders from the tree structure you want to migrate. Here, you can also preview the content and attachments of a specific email and press next. Now, select the EML file format from the drop-down menu of Saves, Backup, Migrate As. After picking the saving format, you can view different inbuilt features of the software. Select options as per your requirements. Choose to remove duplicate mail features to remove similar emails from the Mac Outlook OLM files. Opt with the Save in the Same feature to make the source and destination folder the same as the new resultant EML files. If you select the Save in Same option, then the Path to Save button gets automatically disabled. Check Maintain Folder Hierarchy to preserve the original structure as per the selected folders. Go through with Migrate or Backup Emails Without Attachments Files feature to extract only the emails from the OLM files. Mail Filter to separate the emails of selected OLM files into a particular date range. You can also filter the tasks of chosen OLM files between two dates by opting for the Task Filter option. Select the saving format of the new resultant files from the drop-down of Naming Convention. Check the Custom Folder Name feature to enter the name of the new resultant folder. Tap on the Path to Save button to select the destination path of a newly extracted folder. Thus, to begin the extraction of OLM files into EML file format, hit the Convert button. The Mac Outlook OLM files emails are back up into EML format. You can also save the extraction report by clicking on the Download Report button. Additionally, you can also export OML file emails to different email clients. To do so, click on the Convert Again button. Now, pick the email client from the drop-down list of Saves, Backup, Migrate As. Here, I select Office 365 as an email client to explain the working procedure of the software. Now, enter your Office 365 account email address and third-party app password. If you did not have a third-party app password for Office 365, you can generate it by tapping on the link below. Click on the Sign In button. Check to remove duplicate mail option to delete repetitive emails from the chosen OLM files. Select the Save in the Same feature to download the resultant folder at that folder from where the OLM files are selected. Opt with the Maintain Folder hierarchy to maintain the original structure of the new folder. Check to migrate or backup emails without attachments files feature to export only the emails into Gmail. You can also filter the emails of selected OLM files into 2 date ranges by checking the Mail filter. Task filter to separate the tasks of Mac Outlook OLM files into the start date and end date. Check Restore to Default Folder feature to save the folder at the selected default location. You can also describe the folder name of the resultant folder by selecting the Custom Folder Name feature. Now, tap on the Convert button to start the migration of OLM file items into Office 365. Moreover, you can also download the migration report of OLM file items by pressing the Download Report button.
Thank you for watching the video. For more such updates, subscribe the channel and follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn.